Hello and welcome to Accurate Sales Forecasting by Marcelli Training. In this section, you're going to learn how to access the application and how to use the Forecasting tab. To access the application, simply go to the upper right to your applications list, select Marcelli Forecasting, and it will open up a new view for you. In this view, you have three tabs that you can look at. The Forecast tab, which is where you're going to review and build your forecast. The Pipeline tab, where you can review your pipeline and specific key performance indicators around your pipeline, and a push report, which is a simple report that tells you and your manager what happened to your pipeline in a particular period of time. Let's open the Forecast tab. Once you open the Forecast tab, there are several main sections of the Forecast review screen. You have the ability to take a look at two views. You can look at your forecast against your quota, and you can look at your forecast against a manually entered forecast. You can look at different time periods, basically current and future, and you can select between your three different scenarios. And these are your risk scenarios that are more than likely customized to your organization. In this particular demonstration, commit is what I have won plus what I have verbal. Likely is what I have in commit plus opportunities that I'm likely to close in this particular time period. And best. Best is a combination of commit plus likely plus opportunities that are going to be reached to get closed in this particular period of time. I then have a summary section whereby I can see, based off of my likely view or in a commit view, what I have logged in Salesforce that I have won and what I have in my commit scenario against my quota. And in this particular view, I can see that I have an upside of $55,000 because I am winning plus verbal more than I have in my quota. I have a summary section to the right, which breaks down the data that is in this particular chart. I have a table in the middle that further explains my data points, my name, my manager, my forecasted opportunities, my quota, whether I have a gap and upside, and what I have won and what I have in commit, and another chart down below that summarizes my particular view. Also in the screen, I have the ability to take a look at my quota page. If I click on my quota page, this is my summary of my quota and my quota performance for my entire year, broken out by my annual quota, my annual attainment, my quarters, and my monthly breakdowns. Moving back to the Forecast tab, if I change my scenarios, you can see that the information changes as well. In this particular view, I have my best, which shows what I have in best, what I have logged as likely, and what I have logged in my commit plus my one, all summarized against my quota and my upside. And this concludes our training of how to access Marcelli and how to use the Forecast Summary tab.